Hey, how are you guys doing today? I'm going to show you what I use in the wintertime whenever I'm feeling a little under the weather, or honestly to help me keep from getting sick. I'm really into natural remedies and taking care of myself that way. A lot of people will make like hot drinks like Theraflu and stuff like that. Well, personally, I don't really want to do that. So, I have a lemon. I have a tube of ginger paste. And fresh local honey. So I'm going to make a tea out of that. I make it all the time and I love it. Okay. First of all, I've got about a cup of water and I'm heating it up. Okay. I have my cup, my little thing to strain the lemon stuff in. I'm going to cut it in half. I'm just going to use a half a lemon. I'm making a single serving. So I'm going to put it on here. I'm going to get the all of the juice and everything out of it. If you didn't mind the seeds, folks, you could actually strain or squeeze this right into your cup. But I prefer not to do that. I don't like seeds, and I don't like to have to pick them out. Do you guys ever use one of these lemon reamers? Now they make smaller ones. Let me see if I can find mine. Like this right here. And you could easily use this, but you would have the seeds fall down in there. So that's why I prefer to use this one right here, because it catches all the seeds right here. I mean, you might have a teeny tiny one every now and then that falls through, but guys, it's a lot better than those big ones. Okay, I'm gonna pour the juice from a half a lemon in here. And I have my ginger paste. Folks, you could use fresh ginger. Just slice it. Most of them are probably about a quarter size, about the size of a quarter. Just slice it really thin and put it in your cup if you'd like. I prefer this right here because it lasts forever. I'm going to squeeze probably about a half teaspoon to a teaspoon in here. It honestly, here we go, real life, guys. It honestly depends on how much you like the flavor of ginger. Personally, I like a strong ginger flavor. Okay. As you can see, my water is simmering pretty good. Turn that off. So I'm going to pour that into my lemon juice and my ginger. Now folks, this next part, again, it's up to you how much honey that you want to use. I like mine a little tart, so I don't put as much honey in mine as what I do, say, whenever I'm making my husband's. He likes his sweeter. So it just all depends. This is probably about 2 tablespoons the way it was heaped up there. So you just put it in there, stir it until the honey dissolves. Now you may want to know why I didn't put the honey in the water while I was heating the water up. I'm trying to preserve as many of the natural qualities of the honey as what I can. Okay, that's pretty well dissolved. Now we'll do a taste test and see if I need some more honey. That's perfect. But when we are, like I say, when we're feeling bad, when we have a cold, a sinus infection, the flu, or anything else, I make this A lot of times I'll make it like in a little glass coffee pot decanter, make a big amount of it. I'll make it and leave it in the decanter and put the coffee pot on warm, and it'll sit there for hours. And it doesn't get old or anything like that. But this is absolutely a fantastic way to help heal yourself naturally. Hope this little tidbit has helped somebody. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on that next video.